Hi children, welcome to grade 4 English and this is our session 8 in chapter 2, The Little Boy, and today we are going to complete our classwork. Yes? Are you all ready to write children? Yeah, and let us start this session with the prayer. All of you sit straight and close your eyes. Let us thank God for giving us this wonderful opportunity for learning. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Children, rub your hands together. Keep it on your eyes. Open your eyes gently and slowly. Yes? And before starting to write our classwork, let me tell you some writing guidelines. Yes? You should follow all this for effective writing. Yes, children? Take fresh page, write today's date, and start every line with a capital letter. Yes? And leave one finger space between each word. Write neatly and clearly. Yes, children? Will you follow all these guidelines? Yes. And we are going to write our first Roman letter, that is keywords. All of you take your English note, write chapter 2, The Little Boy, and put today's date. And first Roman letter is keywords. First keyword, cackle. And second one, cluck. Third one, humble. And fourth one is return. Fifth one, low. Sixth one, little. Seventh one, lay. Eighth one, bleat. Ninth one, fleecy. 10th one, clothes. 11th one, animal. 12th one, useful. 13th one, difference. 14th one, cream. And 15th one, cheese. Yes? Are you all clear about all these keywords, children? Yes. And after completing these keywords, if there is space in that same page, you can continue, children, or else you take the fresh page and write Roman letter 2 synonyms. And first synonym, humble, respectful. Humble, respectful. Second one, lay, place. Lay, place. Third synonym, return, repay. Return, repay. Fourth one, useful, beneficial. Useful, beneficial. Fifth one, different, contrary. Different, contrary. And after completing the synonyms, we can move on to our third Roman, that is antonyms. Children, write neatly and clearly. Yes? And third Roman letter is antonym. First antonym, try, give up. Try, give up. Second one, bring, drop. Bring, drop. Third one, kind, unkind. Kind, unkind. Fourth one, true, inaccurate. True, inaccurate. Fifth one, beg, command. Beg, command. And after completing this, we are moving on to our fourth Roman, that is rhyming words. First one, beg, egg. Beg, egg. Second one, give, live. Give, live. Third one, cheese, these. Cheese, these. Fourth one, try, cry. Try, cry. Fifth one, say, hey. Say, hey. And I hope you have completed all your classwork clearly and neatly, children. If you have any doubts, you can refer this video and you can complete it. Yes? And today's home assignment for this session, you have to read the chapter 2 keywords, synonyms and antonyms thoroughly and write one time in your English note. Yes? At the back side of your English note, you can put today's date and you can write the homework and take picture of it. And after completing your classwork and homework, you have to submit it on Grade 4 English Google Classroom. Yes? And I hope you enjoyed this session with me, children. All of you eat healthy food, drink plenty of water, reduce your screen time, give adequate rest to your eyes, and always stay home and stay safe. And thank you so much, children.